Inside this code, I have created an animation. So first of all, the output is this. So pulse animation. First of all, I've made it responsive. So if I open inspect, so you're watching. If I open Galaxy Note 3, it will look like this, and if I open Galaxy Note 2, it will look like this. For Galaxy L8, it will look like this. For Galaxy M Plus, it would look like this. And you're watching how it's working. For mobile, this one, and for this one, it should be this one. And it would work for every device. So that's how it's working. So how it's working? If I hover on it, it's going up and okay, so you're watching. And transform, it rotates. And this would automatically do it. So open the browser. Okay, so over here, first of all, for all sides, I've set these styles. For body, the style should be this, so you can read them by pausing the video. After that, for class, which should be container, this should be the. After that, in this one, I am doing it all 0.4 easy and out. Okay, so this one is the first animation code. After that, for translation was hover, so translate 1 100 pixel. Then what was happening? So it was going up, and the color should be this background color, and this should be the shadow. After that, the width should be this, the height should be this. So for this is the pulse one code, and it's for 2 seconds and 2 seconds. And now after that, I put in some of the codes, and this is transfer scale and 1.1. And this is how it's working. After that, this is the last transform. It would rotate 15 degrees, give 15 degrees, and after that, responsive images. So I am set using auto, rims, or percentage. So if you use pixel over here, it wouldn't be responsive. After that, padding should be 1 ram. After that, for all these 2 classes, these styles would be over here. After that, each one font set should be this. And after that, again for these all should be this. And over here, my style has been it. So transition box, and the text should be hover transition. And over here, the text should be pulse animation. And over here, it should be transform me. And over there, this town is an image. Okay, so that's all for today. So keep learning and keep practicing. Bye.